AI is super hot right now, but guess what? The real money isn't in buying AI tools. It's in selling AI tools to other people that want to get into the AI craze. And today what I want to do is show you a new system that's going to let you have your own AI text to video creation platform that you can sell to other people and keep 100% of the sales price for yourself. This way you can cash in on the AI craze without even needing to create an AI system yourself. And then I want to show you the special bonus that I have for anybody that picks this up through me. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into it.
Hello and welcome to Vidko, the AI video generation app that gives you all the top video AIs in one place. Using Vidko, you can generate videos using all of the latest video AIs. Yes, just choose the AI, feed in your input and get the results. It's as easy as that. But that's not all. We built Vidko for marketers, and that means you can not just create videos with it, but also sell it and make profits. You know how hot video AI is right now. People are paying top dollars to generate videos using AI, and they are hungry for newer and newer AIs. Vidko gives them access to all of the present video AIs, and it will also bring them newer AIs as they are released. People will love that, and you can profit from that. Vidko lets you sell accounts that people can use to generate videos, sell reseller accounts that lets other people sell Vidko too, and even white label it and market it as your own app. Now let's take a look and see how everything works. When you run Vidko, you can see all the AIs that are inside of Vidko available right now. We connect to the top platforms like Replicate and AI ML API to make sure that we always get you the latest and the best video AIs that are available right now. And at this moment, Vidko has all of the top ones, and as new come in, Vidko will have them too. To get started, all you need to do is select what you want to do. It supports both text to video and image to video systems. So let's start with text to video, for example. So in text to video, all you need to do is describe what you want to generate. For example, I've just put in this little prompt: beautiful lotus flower blooms as the sun rises in the background, and it has the facility to enhance the prompt by AI. So if you select this, before sending the prompt to the video generation AIs, there will be another LLM, another text AI that will make this prompt even better. So you don't need to imagine things in great detail. Just put in what you want to create and it will be enhanced by AI itself. Next, you can choose what AI you want to use. So we have AIs like Minimax Video, Minimax Video Director, Tencent Hanyan, VO2, Pyramid Flow, Kling, Dream Machine, Hyper, Van Video, and of course these are the latest AIs when it comes to video generation. You've seen them trending all over the internet, and as new AIs are introduced, they will be available inside of Vidko. So for this particular one, I'm going to use Kling, for example. Click on Go and you will see this is the enhanced prompt. If you want to edit it further, you can do so. You can also choose what aspect ratio you want, and it will automatically change according to the availability inside the AI that you're using. And you can choose how long you want the video to be. Finally, you will see the credits used, and when you click on submit for generation, it's already submitted and it will be created in just a few minutes. Alright, so the video is generated. I'm going to download it. And here we have, look at this. This is exactly what I wanted to create, and I can use it in my videos right away. By the way, Vidko supports every single style, including cartoons, hyper-realistic videos, black and white videos, illustrations, and anything else that you can think of. Of course, 3D videos too. So this time I'm going to create a cartoon of a lotus blooming as the sun rises, and I'm going to turn off the prompts because I don't want to play with the prompts at all. And here we have it. Check this out. The same video, but this time it's a cartoon. So this is the kind of range that Vidko has. You can choose any style you want and it's going to work. It also has image to video, so you can put in a starting image and ask Vidko to animate it. Let's take a look at how that works. So I've got this basic picture of a cow. I'm just gonna put this one here. Let me open it. Here we go. And I'm going to put in some instructions. Let's choose Kling AI for this. These are the video AIs that support image to video. And you can see you got prompt enhancement. You can choose the aspect ratio, the time. I'm going to go for 5 and click on submit for generation. And we have the video. So let me play it. So this is the video that's been generated based on the image and the prompt. Of course, you can choose to modify the prompt as you see fit. If you want the exact reproduction, don't enhance it with AI and you will get a much closer reproduction to exactly what you asked for. And you can this way generate videos from text or from image using Vidko. To give you the best deal possible in video generation, not just in terms of features and capabilities, but also in cost, we have created a special system in Vidko. You can either choose to use credits from us and you can purchase the credits directly, or Vidko even supports something that is called bring your own key. I know this concept is very popular on the internet right now. In every software, you can bring in your OpenAI key, for example, in many software, and then you don't have to pay for credits. Well, we brought that to Vidko and we have integrated the top AI generation platforms, multi-AI platforms, Replicate and AI ML. You can get the key from these particular platforms. You can get the keys from these platforms, integrate them inside of Vidko, and you will never be charged credits again. You will be only paying the actual fee for video generation, and this is the most affordable, most inexpensive ways to get videos generated through AI. So make use of that, get your keys, and you'll be able to totally use your own actual accounts and not have to pay for credits with us. Next, Vidko has the capability for you to profit not just by creating videos, but also by reselling Vidko to other people or selling Vidko accounts to the people. I did tell you about that in the beginning. So Vidko has 3 different ways that you can sell. The first is by selling Vidko accounts. So inside of your Vidko account, if you've got the Vidko front-end version, which is the Vidko agency, you can create accounts for people by just typing in their email ID and their name and inviting them. Now, you can allow people to put in their own API keys from Replicate and AI ML API, just like I showed you, or you can sell them credits from your end. So if you've got your own API key integrated, you can sell them credits and you can even have a markup. You can even earn a profit on the credit. So you can earn a markup of 50%, 100%, 150%, and people, when they buy credits inside of your Vidko, you will get paid that much because your account will be used to power those credits and you will make that profit. So that's also included. Next, you have Vidko Reseller. With Vidko Reseller, you can create agency level accounts inside of Vidko, and those agency users can create further accounts. So you can tell people, hey, I'm gonna let you sell Vidko, right? I'm gonna give you some special powers. You can sell Vidko yourself. Yes, as a reseller, we give you the right to create agency accounts inside of Vidko. Your users can then put in their own API key if they want to, or use our credits and sell Vidko accounts, or even use it yourself, right? The next level we have is the white label, and the white label version allows you to download Vidko and upload it to your own hosting. Yes, you can put it on any hosting and you can then rebrand it and sell it as your own software. Yes, that means you will practically own Vidko. You will be the owner of the product and you can sell it as your own product. And if you buy the right version, you will even have the source code so that you can expand it and use it as you like. So this is the ultimate way to own Vidko and to sell it online, even as your own product. Setting it up, setting the white label up is super easy. You just set it up like WordPress, put in the database name, database user, and you can set it up right away. So select the right access for you. You can sell Vidko at any level you want, either sell it to users, sell reseller versions and let other people create agency accounts and resell it, or rebrand Vidko and sell it as your own product, or even use it to create your own AI videos. You can do anything that you want, so get it now and I will see you inside.
Vidko is a very cool platform, a great value and well worth investing in on its own. However, as always, I like to over-deliver and give more to my followers and my subscribers. So I have some very special limited time bonuses for anybody that picks it up through me. You can click the link in the description to check out these bonuses. Just keep in mind, these are limited time bonuses, which means you must pick up Vidko and claim the bonuses. Thank you and enjoy.